So this is a circuit diagram for our home automation project using Jarvis AI. We discussed this circuit diagram and I explained it in detail in one of our previous lectures. So now let's move forward to actual hardware, that how this circuit is implemented in actual hardware. This is our Arduino Nano placed on the breadboard, as the breadboard helps us in making different connections. So we can see here that we have ground right here, and we have input voltage which are connected to respective pins right here and here. And here we have connected our computer to our Arduino, and right here we have the D3 pin which is connected to our relay module right here, this one. If I go to the next picture, this one right here, that we have connected to our input one, as the D3 pin is sending signal to our relay. And here we have connected our ground and VCC pin which are sharing the common port with our Arduino's ground and input voltage. And on the other side we have our normally open pin and common pin for relay 1, and they are both connected to our electrical equipment, which in our case is a light bulb. So if I move forward, so this is our light bulb, and here we can see that the blue pin which was connected to our common pin right here is connected to the AC supply right here, and the normally open pin is connected to our electrical equipment. So whenever a low signal is passed from our Arduino to our relay will allow the current to pass through it from the common point to the normally open point, and it will turn on the light bulb. If the high signal is passed, then our relay will not allow the current to flow, as it will break its path for stopping the current supply.